using your PC to do this, all you need to do is just go to your browser, preferably your Google Chrome. Just go to your Google Chrome, just type remove.bg. Once you type remove.bg, remove.bg, you instantly be taken to the website. You can see remove image background, and 100% automatically and free. So you can remove the background 100% automatically and free. You pay any graphic designer to do this for you. All you need to do is just upload your image and you are good to go. But the main concern of the video is to show you how to remove from your mobile phone. Whether you are using Android or you are using phone. If you are using Android, all you need to do is go to your Play Store and download an app from remove.bg. Have an app just like they have the PC version, website version. They also have an app that you can use on your phone. So just if you are using Android, go to Play Store, and if you are using iOS, then you go to App Store. In this case, we are using Android. So just go here and type background remover. Background remover. So background remover. So you can see there are so many of them, but we are concerned with this particular one. Remove.bg. Remove.bg, we are concerned with that. So just get it. Now you can see remove.bg. I have it installed. That is why you can see it's giving me open. You can see it's giving me open. It's giving me open. You can see it's because I have it already. If in your own case, if you are downloading it for the first time, it will write install, but because I've already done it, it's saying open. So I will just click on it to open it. Once I open it, you see, and by the way, this is 100% free. It's 100% free, but you must be connected to the internet to do this. You have to be connected to the internet. You can see it's as simple as this. It looks exactly like the website version. Upload an image to remove the background. So all you need is just click on this particular place. Just click on this particular place, upload image. Once you click on that, you'll be taken directly to where you have your images, picture that I've taken. Be taken directly to this. You can see it's my picture. Or rather, let me pick from here. Okay, I can pick any of these. Let me just, okay, maybe I should pick this. Let me pick this and see what happens. Just watch what it does. Sometimes if your internet is slow, it might take some time. It might take some time. So for it, you can see it has started preparing upload. You see what this will do in a minute. So as the thing is removing, you should note that removing your background is not a final thing. The essence of removing the background is to use our image in creating our thumbnail that gets the click. It will remove the background, and we don't need the background because we want to create. You can see. So once this is done, you can see it is done. So the essence of this is that we want to use this image in creating our thumbnail. We don't need the background. We have removed the background. Instead of paying so much money to graphic designers, I'm teaching you how to do it for free, and anybody can do this. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can do, because it is free, it is automatic. You are not you don't have to understand Photoshop. For you to understand, to learn Photoshop, you pay a lot of money. You don't need to learn Photoshop, you don't need to learn CorelDRAW. What you do is just know how to drag and click. Now we have just removed the background. So what I do is I'll just say download. You can say download HG. By downloading HG, it means it will be bigger. But if you download, just download. You can use any of two. Just download. Let me just download any one. Okay, it's asking me to, let me just click on download, and it will download. See how it is looking. So if I want to use it, I can always use it. It will be free for me. So that is the first part, and that is the main part. I'm going to teach you how to now make it to your to create your own thumbnail. So let's go. Let me just show you in just show you how to do that to create your thumbnail. So I have an app called Thumbnail Maker. So I will just use that. By the way, if you want to learn how to use Thumbnail Maker, an app on your phone, I've done a video. Just check the my channel, and you will see that particular video where I teach you how to make a good thumbnail with your mobile. So click on this. Once you click on the Thumbnail Maker, it's loading. Once it loads, this is also automatic. This is that you are offline and online. So already these are template. You can use any of these. For a case, let me just look for something very simple that I can use. I can use my, okay, let me just, you can create from scratch. If you want to create from scratch, just click on create. Once you click on it, this is an advert. Because this app is free, so they are putting advert. So that is gone. So it's great. You can see I've created. Now it's asking me to choose which one do I want to do. My concern is, you can, by the way, you can use this for any of the social media. You can use it for Instagram, for Facebook, but we are concerned with YouTube thumbnail. So I'll click on YouTube thumbnail. You don't have to measure anything. It's already been measured for you. So it's asking me to pick a background. I should just pick any background that I want. Okay, let me just try to pick a background. I normally like dark background. Okay, let me pick this. I like dark to pick. Okay, that is my background. I will just edit. Already editing photo. I will say okay. Once I click it, it will give me the perfect measurement for. It will give me the perfect measurement for my video. So that is it. That is what I have there. So I can just start editing. The next place I go to is image. I want to bring that picture now for that. Say gallery. You can use camera, but we've already removed the background of picture. So I want to pick it, and we can use it straight away. So internet is slow. Why that? In this place, just bring the image, then add a write-ups that you want. Just something, just put it, and it is done. Or it is done. So this is kind of slow, so slow. Okay, let's go back. It's getting slow. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. Now, let me start with test. And I can just write a test.